Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Supergirl from DC Superhero Girls. So let's get started. To draw Supergirl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come to the other side, about right here, and connect it at the bottom. So I'm not making this that wide, just a little bit thinner and longer. And connect. So just basic bottom of a U. And then we're going to come back to where we started with this and add a circle right here for the eyes. So right on the edge. And same thing on the other side. So right here. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So please make sure to comment below if there's other superhero girls you want me to draw from this show DC Superhero Girls. I've drawn Batgirl already, so Supergirl here is my second one. And there's a lot more, so definitely let me know in the comments below which ones are your favorite. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come to the side right here and give her a lash, just one that's very thick. And same thing over here. So thick one right there. And then we're going to come right here in the center and give her a smile. Nice big smile. Kind of comes up to the side right here and cap it off. And then from there, let's see here. Let's come to the side right here and we're going to draw her ear. So let's come right here with a curve. Just a soft curve. And come in here with two curves for some detail. Same thing over here. So about right there. And two curves. So then let's start to draw her hair. And so there's a bunch of strands. So I'm going to start about right here. Just imagining an oval. So about right here, I'll start with the first strand. And just soft curve that comes right in. Now we're going to start to build one smaller strand that comes down close to her eye, goes back up, and then the big center one. So come back down. Round this off a little bit more, and I'm going to kind of give it a little curve and bring it right back up. And then one more right here, about in this area. Just curve it and taper it right back in. Just the general shape that you're trying to aim for her bangs. So then let's come back in this area, say about right here. And just give her a soft arc for her brow. Same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and come right back here where her ears are. And we're just going to round off and finish off the top of her hair. So I'm just going to bring this up and about right there I'll start to bring it in, and keeping in mind that I still have to draw her hairband, so don't go too high up yet. So then now we're going to come right here, taper it, and draw her hairband. Okay, so then we have one more layer to go. So above that, in the center about right here, I'm going to start and just go around her hairband. Same thing on the other side. Go right there. I'm going to kind of curve it in a little bit and then come out. But I'll save that for later. Let's finish up her body before we finish up the rest of her hair. But that is pretty much it for her head right there. And then now let's draw her body. So right in the center, give her a little neck. And I'm going to come in here and connect it first, because she has this collar detail right here. So from this, come out with two curves, and I'm just going to come right here and connect it. Same thing right here, just come around and connect. Then from there we can come out and we're going to start to draw her shoulder. If you're using a pencil, just go ahead and taper this down for her shoulder. But because I'm using a Sharpie, there's this little part right here that kind of bumps up a little bit for her hoodie. So I'm going to come out with a curve. Not for her hoodie, I'm so sorry, for her cape. So this part bumps out a little bit. So then I'm going to come up in this area and give myself 2 points for where her armpits would be. And from there, I'm going to give it a slight angle line inwards rather than outwards like my usual. I just felt she needed this waist area so that we can pop out her skirt. Okay, so about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it right towards the center with a curve on both sides. Then let's come back in here and finish this part up. So right in this area, it comes up, connects, and comes down. So same thing here. Go all the way up and then just give it a little curve. And then for some details, you can come right here for where the cape starts. And there's that little jewel right here. Diamond shape. And of course the Supergirl logo right here. So I'm going to go straight across, angle out, find my center about right here, and connect. Okay, and I'll draw the details in there later. Let's come back out here and start her skirt. So right at this point, just come out on both sides. Nice poofy skirt, so about right. About right there. I'll stop, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves. And the center being the lowest and going up. So then I'm just going to come in here and follow that curve I just made for some detail. And one more band right here. So follow this curve that you made. And then you can just come in here with some curves, just for some indication of crease lines. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her feet. So I'm having her feet, she's standing wide apart, kind of like what I did with Batgirl. So just imagine about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and draw an angle line down. And it's going to taper and get thinner. So same thing here, about right here. Okay, so let's work on this leg first and bring it down a little bit more. About right there. I'll stop and connect it. And so to draw her shoe, she has this socks right here, so I'm just going to wobble a curve, wobble, and connect once again. And then just remember you're still going at this angle. Then from there we're going to start her shoe. So this is going to come down, and let's come out here, round it off, bring it in, and about right here you can just add a little curve for the heel and connect. So same thing on the other side. About right there. And connect. So we're just going to be doing the same exact thing. And once again, come down. So I just want to make sure I'm ending about the same level on the other side. So I'll just give myself a point. Little curve and connect. There. I always have so much harder time drawing this side. Okay, so then from there to add some details. I hate drawing that side. And curve for the bottom right there. And then we're going to add a curve right here at the top. And then come right here and we're going to draw some details. So two curves, this side being thicker, and then you can just add some laces right here just to simplify it. So same thing over here. There, finally done. And add some curves right here for some details on the socks. So then now finally we can draw her arms. So I'm kind of having it come out a tiny bit. So we're going to give it a little bit of a bend. So right here. You bend it out so her hands don't touch her skirt area. So just start to angle it in. About right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And then draw her hands. So her hands are in the fist, come out with an angle. Give it two curves right there. And connect. And then you can add a little curve right there. So then for some details, she has these cuffs right here, and then her sleeve about right here. Okay, so now to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. And we're going to bend it about right here. Like I said, I hate drawing this side. It's just harder on my hand because I can't turn the paper. Okay, so about right here, we're going to bend it in. But I won't give up, right? Just have to practice more. Okay, so about right there, once again, same thing. Come right here with two angles. And then two curve. And connect. And then you can add a little curve right there. And once again, same thing. Curve right here for a cuff and then a sleeve. And that is it for her hand. So then now let's not forget her cape is going to come down. So, yeah, a curve right there coming out. Right there. So nice and even, then I'm just going to come in here and just connect it with some curves. There. Okay, so then now we can finally finish her hair. So just come right in here. And add zigzag if you like, and just tuck it right back in. And oh, and finally the logo. I almost forgot. I was about to say that's it. Okay, so for the S, to simplify this, we're basically building an S in here. So I'm just going to start in this corner and come in here with kind of this arrow shape. Come across. I know it's a little bit complicated, but hopefully just making it a little bit easier. So you just want to create this shape right here at the top. Then the center, we're going to still creating an S. And a little one right here, a little triangle right here. And then there's one more right here. Another break there. And one right here if you want to get into a lot of details. But that's the basic idea. And when you color it in, you'll see the S. And that is pretty much it. I really hope, I know this, some parts are a bit complicated, but I hope I made it easy for you to follow along with me, and that this drawing here inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this video and I helped you out, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.